Welcome back. This video is the second part of the introduction to the ABCs of student support. In this video, we will share a sneak preview of some of the components that make this program unique. If you have not yet watched part 1, we recommend starting there to understand what the ABCs of student support is all about, who it is for, and why it was created. Before the sneak preview, we'll share some basics about the structure of the ABCs of student support to provide context. Each lesson starts with 15 minutes of explicit cognitive behavioral instruction, CBI, followed by 30 minutes of reading comprehension, where CBI is also embedded. Teachers are provided with a lesson plan, script, materials, and slides for every lesson. Let's take a 2-minute preview to show what makes the ABCs approach so unique. We'll start with the CBI. Here are some excerpts from the teacher slides from the first unit, which consists of 5 lessons. From the very first CBI lesson, students learn about metacognition, which means thinking about our own thinking and why it's important. They discover that our thoughts connect to our actions. Over the first unit, students learn strategies to improve self-awareness and emotional regulation, which are crucial for those who often feel overwhelmed. These trauma-informed teaching strategies help students manage their emotions, which is key for success. You'll learn more about CBI in much more detail in the third video of our series. Now, let's look at what students are reading during the first unit to see how literacy integrates with CBI. In literacy, students read passages associated with Isaac Newton, a theme that spans 2 weeks. Video 2 will explain structural elements of the ABCs in more detail, which includes thematic integration. This sneak preview allows you to see the explicit connections to what they're reading about in the science passages to CBI. For instance, while learning about Newton's laws of motion, they learn about acceleration. The passage connects this scientific idea of acceleration to emotional acceleration, which is what the students have been talking about in CBI. They have been learning about using metacognition to slow down their thinking when frustrated. This integration of literacy, science, and human behavior makes the ABC's curriculum different from other Tier 2 programs. Video 4 will dive into the literacy component in greater detail. But for now, it's important to understand that the ABC's curriculum is based on the science of reading. Each unit features explicit instruction in morphology, the study of word forms, high-impact reading comprehension strategies, and writing, with a strong emphasis on building background knowledge. Graphic organizers and other visual cues help guide students toward independent work, with plenty of practice opportunities and individualized support. These materials represent just a quick sneak preview of some of the materials. Through this program, students can acquire the tools they need to understand what they are reading. For many students, teaching evidence-based literacy practices alone isn't enough without support for the whole child. Many adolescents who struggle with reading carry the weight of years of frustration, which can extend beyond the classroom. Embedding CBI into the literacy intervention helps educators meet students where they are. It accelerates academic opportunities and promotes personal growth. This intervention is rooted in the core belief that the adolescents it serves have great potential. They just need guided support to realize it and the mindset to believe they can succeed. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the ABCs of student support. In these 2 introductory videos, you learned about what the program is about why it was created, and who can benefit from this intervention. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into the details. Video 2 will explain the structure and key components of this intervention. If you have any questions, please reach out to our project team. Thank you.